video. Today it's a get ready with me type of video. You know, I am in Thailand, so of course I have to do the island makeup. So let's start it. I already did my skincare and put my sunscreen, which is so important. Never skip sunscreen. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with foundation, but I'm not gonna use too much because I want to look tanned. Some girls use spatula. I just prefer using my hand. Of course, cleaned hand. I think I put too much. Okay, remove it a bit. So now, since I have really dark circles, I'm gonna use this color concealer from Astra, and I'm gonna use the orange one and apply a little bit here and here. If you have really dark circle like me, like really purple circles, I recommend to use orange concealer. Now I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. I'm using this pencil from Essence. This one I'm just gonna use it just a little bit, especially here in the center. Then I use another pencil which is more dark. Now it's time for contouring. By the way, I knew it would be so hot here in Thailand, but I would not expect that hot. But you know what the problem is? The humidity here is so high that even when it's cloudy, even when it's raining, it's still hot. Even during the night, it's still so hot. At least 28 degrees because of the humidity. I love to go walk in the morning. I was going outside walk every single day in Italy. I'm gonna add more contouring. So I was going to walk every single day in Italy, but here I'm really trying my best to go every single day, but I don't anyway because it's really too hot. I mean, if I wake up a little bit late, I just don't go, or I go in the evening. The perfect time for go walk is like from 5 to 8 a.m. or in the evening, like from 9 to 11 p.m. But in the evening for me it's too late. I just prefer go during the day, in the morning. But since I still have the jet lag, it's 1 week that I'm here and I still have a bit of the jet lag, I don't wake up that early. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. And trust me, 8 a.m. it's late for start. It's late for start to go out. I walk at least for 1 hour and a half. That means I'll be back at 9:30 if I go outside at 8. And trust me, it's so hot. Okay, now I'm gonna do the contour also of my lips. Let me see. And it's not here. Anyway, guys, everything here is cheap. I'm gonna put the blush now, but I'm gonna use this lipstick from Peripera that I bought in Korea, and it's just my lifesaver. I really love this color. It's matte and lasts really long. So I'm gonna put like this and here, and I'm gonna put them here too, and here. As I was saying, it's really cheap here. Really cheap, especially the local markets are really cheap. You just have to be careful for scam because they always increase the price for tourists, because I think they just know the tourists gonna pay a bit more than Thai people. But even if they increase the price, actually it's cheaper anyway. At least it's cheaper. I can talk for Italia. It's cheaper than Italia. The first day that I came, they arrived here. I went right away to 7-Eleven because I already know 7-Eleven, and I paid like €5.40, but I bought different things, kind of like at least 10 pieces. I bought chips, I bought onigiri, I bought the meal, already prepped meal, and I bought, what else? Kimbap. It's another stuff, Korean food. I know I keep, oh my god, I just realized that I keep buying Korean food even in Thailand. But hear me out, I bought Korean because I am more familiar with Korean food. Thai, I never ate Thai before, never. So I really don't know the food. So for the first day, I right away went to Korean food. I already know the taste, so I can get wrong. I was gonna keep using the lipstick as for my lips. I love this color. I'm gonna use it too much anyway. Let's put the mascara. So what else did I buy? I bought also some biscuits and I don't know, different things for just €5.40. And what's crazy that it was 7-Eleven. It was not just a local market, it was 7-Eleven. And if you go to 7-Eleven in Korea, actually it's not that cheap. When I was going in Korea to 7-Eleven, the onigiri already was almost kind of like €1.50 to €2. So already half of what I spent here. So it's not about 7-Eleven that is cheap. I mean, also, but especially here in Thai, a lot of things are so cheap. And I love it. I'm a saver girl. I love to save money. And I usually don't overspend. So the thing that I'm saving, the fact that I am spending less, I just love it. Really love it. Also for taxi driver, you know, here if you're alone most of the time, if you have to go somewhere, you can just get a motor taxi, and that's so comfortable and so cheap. For example, this week, wait, let me see what I have to put now. The mascara. Anyway, yeah. So since like this week, I have a shooting. Can't wait! I'm so excited for it. Anyway, I have this shooting to do in a restaurant, which is kind of like almost 1 hour from here. And I'm gonna take a motor taxi. This for 1 hour of ride until there with a motor taxi. €5. I'm gonna pay €5 in Italy. If you get a taxi, first of all, there's no motor taxi, there's just a car taxi. But even with the car taxi, because I check it, I would spend, what was that? €10. twice. 10 euro for 1 hour of ride. In Italy, that's crazy. 1 hour? I don't know, but you're gonna spend at least 40 euro, I guess, because actually I never use it because I know it's expensive. I'm feeling rich. I think I'm in my rich girl era. Okay, so let's go on. Now it's time for Freckles. I saw from TikTok, from this girl on TikTok, that she was saying that if you want to do Freckles, instead of drawing the dot right away on your face, do it on your finger and then press it on your face, because you're gonna look more real. So let's try. I hope so, it works. Let's try. Let's try. Is it working? Kinda, but I think I have to do it many times. I guess it's true. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put more. Oh, it's so cloudy today. I hope it doesn't rain. But it has been cloudy all week. It's okay. It's so tropical weather. Okay. Can you see it, guys? I like it. Okay, so now it's time to glow. Let me tell you something. I don't use highlighter because I don't know, I don't like it, but I use this. That's a tip for you guys. It's a hack for you guys, me ladies. Use Vaseline instead of highlighter because it lasts longer and it's good for your skin. So I'm gonna apply here and here, and also here. I'm gonna put a little bit here for make my lips more soft. And now I'm gonna put the lip gloss. I'm using this one from Essence. Okay, now it's time for the hair. I am going to the beach, so I want something correlated to the beach. One of the hairstyles that I like the most, it's like mermaid hairstyle. Fits so well with the island makeup. If you only have a straightener, I'm gonna show you how you can do mermaid curls with this. Okay, I can't wait for the shooting. I'm so excited. I'm gonna post everything. I'm gonna post a lot on Instagram. If you wanna check it out, go there and watch it. Okay, grab your hair like this and do this up and down. See? It's simple, isn't it? To make this hairstyle. And it's simple and I really, really love it. Here too. Let me grab here. Usually, what do you do first? I don't know. It depends. But I think most of the time I do my hair first and then my makeup and then the outfit, I guess. It's so random actually that I don't know, but I think most of the time, yeah, I do that. Almost finished. I love it. Give me so really volume. It give me volume to my hair, and it's casual. I can use it with any time, any type of makeup, and I love it. Who is ready for go to bed? Not me, because I need outfit. I need to put my swimsuit. So let's go. Okay, and this is the swimsuit that I'm gonna use. I wanted to put something colorful, and I guess I did it right with this wonderful skirt. Made me feel so sexy. I love it. Actually, this skirt is from GRWM cosplay that I sometimes did, and I think it's just perfect for really the beach with swimsuit. GRWM, it's an island girl. I just need a flower. I'm gonna get some flowers somewhere and just put in my hair and take a good picture and put it here, and also maybe post on Instagram too. So be sure to follow me also on Instagram so you can see. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comment if you have some question, everything. Wherever you want to comment, just do it. Thank you for watching until here, and we see. I think there's someone watching me in the other apartment. By the way, so thank you guys, and we see next week in the next video. Bye.